Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Microsoft Windows calculator. I- I'm going to show you how to copy calculations made on the Windows calculator and paste the results into a Notepad documents. As you can see, Notepad is open on the left side of my screen and the calculator is here on the right. For this demonstration, let's just perform a simple subtraction problem. Okay. And enter the current year and then subtract the year you were born. So, I'm at 2017 and then subtract and I'm born at 1997 click equals. Spend a few minutes in disbelief that you really are this years old. Then just smile and accept it. With the number visible on the display, press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy this number. Then document and press Ctrl and V to paste the number. This is a quick and easy way to transfer calculations from the Windows calculator to another applications on your computer. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.